Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics here with a notion you might have heard of, but maybe not. We all know as quilters, our iron is very important. It's one of our most essential tools in our sewing room. And as you can see from my iron, it's really dirty. Once you find your favorite iron, you want to keep it clean so you can use it for years and years and years. The Dritz Iron Off Cleaner is a fantastic product. It's made to be used with a hot iron. I have it all the way full hot. This is from years of using a lot of sizing, fusible webbing, and who knows what else. This has literally been baked onto my iron for years. I've actually been using a different iron, and I wanted to be able to demonstrate the iron off to you in real time, and you can see. Sometimes I know it can take a couple applications, but I am going to take the cap off of this and we are going to experience this in real time. Make sure you're following the instructions on the package. The water is out of your iron so you're not steaming yourself inadvertently and burning yourself. Obviously have plenty of thick cloths on hand and be ready to probably toss those. I don't think I'd ever put that in my washing machine. And you may want to be in a well-ventilated area. Again, the instructions are included on the bottle. Okay, I'm going to get a close-up of this so we can experience the this cleaner together. And you can see if this might be a very important notion for you to add to your sewing room. They mention in the instruction to add about 2 inches. That's a lot of cleaner, but let's go ahead and do that. Out and rubbing it, here we go, on this. Wow. I'm amazed at how fast this is working. This has been on here for years. Oh my gosh. Guys, this stuff is incredible. They do mention, of course, these steam vents in your iron if you have this feature. That'd be a great one to clean off with Q-tips. Of course, you got both ends of the Q-tip you could use. They are not kidding that this stuff works. Wow. And I would definitely get in there, right in there, as I even try to dig into that. Do you see how that's starting to come out? But I can see where that would be just perfect for Q-tips, getting right into that. They do make mention that once you have everything cleaned, oh wow, I can't wait to do the rest of this off camera and use this iron again. I figured it was so gone, so stained and ruined that I'd have to toss it, and I can see that is absolutely not the case. I will finish that up at home, getting into those steam vents with my Q-tip. Incredible. I wanted to have an authentic experience. This is an old Sunbeam iron I think I bought 10 years ago, pressing shirts for going flying and what else, who knows what else, but a very reliable iron. So hey, if you are looking for an iron cleaner, the Dritz hot iron cleaner, well, you can see it does the job. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your day to show you this notion from Dritz. I'll see you soon.